Hi everyone, it's Adriano here from BRZ Food. Today we're gonna talk about Asado ribs. Asado ribs is beef ribs cut in steak thickness across the bone. The first thing the ribs need is extra mojo. Apply a good coat both sides of the meat. Today we're gonna cook on the Weber Go Anywhere. That's one of my favorite barbecues. Add in half chimney heat beat lamb charcoal to one side of the Weber Go Anywhere. Now the barbecue is ready, the next step is to put the beef ribs over the charcoal. You want to make sure it doesn't burn, turn every couple of minutes. When they have a beautiful color, stack them on a bone away from the charcoal and put the lid on. Now we're gonna leave for a couple of minutes to bring it to temperature 129 Fahrenheit. While they rest, we're gonna make a quick chimichurri using my rub Gringo. To make the chimichurri, you're gonna need 2 tablespoons Gringo, 50 ml olive oil, and ½ tablespoon vinegar and salt to taste. All you need to do is mix all together. Now the chimichurri is ready, we're gonna cut the meat off the bone and slice against the grain. Serve with your chimichurri. This is traditional and a very fast way to cook beef ribs.